Let's discuss how to create a note. Notes are messages that you can post to the community describing your work, your thoughts, and allowing you to attach any artifact from precisionFDA, including files, comparisons, apps, jobs, or anything else. To create a note, you can click Create Note from the home page, or in the Notes section, you can click New Note. You can name your note. Let's write my thoughts on the first precisionFDA challenge. And then you can start editing the content of your note. Now, when you're editing your note, the text that you are writing in the note uses a special formatting language called Markdown. You can click and open documentation about the Markdown language in a separate tab. Markdown is very simple and human readable. You can use headings with this hash symbol. You can use other typographic elements such as bold and italic text. You can add links, lists, code, tables, pretty much anything you want using Markdown. Back to our example, I'll add a small header. And I will start typing some text here. Note that while I'm writing, I can click the Preview tab, and it's going to show me what the message will look like eventually when the Markdown is actually parsed and interpreted by the web browser. So in this case, you note how the title is actually in a larger font than the text. At any given point, I can save my note by clicking the Save button. And I can always attach artifacts to the note. For example, let's say that the precisionFDA Consistency Challenge VCF's archive that has been published as part of the precisionFDA Consistency Challenge is an interesting attachment for my note. I would then visit the page of this file and then click Attach. I am presented with all of my notes, and so I can choose exactly where I want to attach it. This is the note I've been writing so far, and then click Attach. I can do the same for pretty much anything on precisionFDA, such as comparisons, jobs, apps. And you notice that when I touch something to a note, the note appears in this section for this file. So I can tell that this file is part of this note because it appears in the note section. And when we visit this note again, you'll see on the right-hand side, there's now a section called Files, which lists the attached file. I can continue editing my note. On this note, you will find attached the archive of the challenge entries. I suggest we take these and analyze them in this way. First, we look at allele frequencies if we combine them, or whatever. Let's say I am done now for the sake of this demo, and I would like to make this publicly available to the rest of the community. I'm just going to click the Publish button, and I'll be taken to the Publishing Wizard. Now, the Publishing Wizard is the same whether you're publishing a note or an app or pretty much anything on precisionFDA. It's going to show you the artifact that you are publishing at the top. In this example, this note. And then it will pre-populate this Publish checkbox, denoting that you're about to publish it. If this note has additional artifacts, in this case, it has an attached file, it'll ask you whether you want to publish that as well. And it's good to publish everything at once so that when people read your note, they have access to the attachments. In this case, the note is already made public, so it's just informing me that the file is already made public, so it's just informing me that the attachment is already public. But by clicking Publish Selected Objects, I will publish the note. So I will click this button, and now the item has been published. So notice that the access column now says public, and when I click on notes, you'll see that this is now a public note and has the globe versus this private note. And as always, I can click on explore and see what others are reporting about precisionFDA, and even click on their artifacts, apps, comparisons, and files and access them, download them, or analyze them further. Thank you.